Yeah.
Chat and laugh.
Go down in it.
Big last year. But lava sell me out the pussy, all don't care. Rise, Dutty Bungle.
Come back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. I will on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. So subscribe if for your first time over your sub.
Watch you now, DM yesterday to the shit in me yard.
Alright people, before we go in the video, the artist here is known as Hansman with 2A. I want to go check out his music channel. Seems like a promising upcoming artist. So far, talent not for hide. End of the day, it speaks for itself. So when I make my new one, go over there. I just that give the video a like because I had that video on the pan right now. So Shenseea have some giveaways to be done on her birthday. That's very, very amazing. On her birthday, she's giving away so much. So tune in and hear what going.
Happy young day, babies. Bruh, I legit just stopped working. My work is finally over at 3:54 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. Even though I've always shown you that still, but it's a little extra love today. Yeah. Now, I'm pretty sure I told you guys, for those of you who did not see the live, I'm donating to 5 GoFundMe accounts today. I'm bringing 5 shillings to dinner tonight in LA. Post on Snap to a Shilling son. Post a show. Post a picture with me and you. Something. Why you become a Shilling. Just enjoy it to the fullest. Today's the day that I'm going to show you all that I appreciate you so much. I can do a transfer. So, yeah. I got something else planned, but I don't want to tell you guys yet. I'm contributing to 5 male Shillings household by buying groceries or paying utility bills, whatever the case is, whatever is necessity and necessary. And I'm helping 5 students with school fees, not college tuitions, school fees like high school, primary school, regardless, wherever you are in the world. Yeah. And I'll be posting your businesses for the entire day today. So get your links ready, get your business pages ready. Whatever you want me to post on Snap, send it in Shillings because it's support for support.
Make sure you tune in to Shenseea. Otherwise, Amari herself, have this song, Rise Dutty Bungle and Chat and Laugh get involved. I mean, she said last year Chat and Laugh did hot and this year it not hot cause laugh at this or etc. But me not think so. Hold on there.
Bumba clot. Yeah. Bumba clot. Yeah.
Chat and laugh.
Go down in it.
Big last year. But lava sell me out the pussy, all don't care. Rise, Dutty Bungle.
Bumba clot. That's all mass up there now.
I want to gossip. Lagging.
No jokes, my friend. Yeah, man, sun, moon, star, everything they in a fear facing. I wonder how she not bright up yet.
So, hold up, you ever fucked a thick bitch before?
Always.
How thick? How thick is thick? What's the thickest bitch you ever fucked?
Whole porridge thick.
Really? You dealt with it good? You dealt with it
That
good?
me a talk about.
How did you deal with it? Skillfully?
Skillfully and willing.
Can I ask you a question? Do you spit in mouth?
Spit in her mouth.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm about to go.
Yeah, but you have to dip on your knee and I look up on me from spitting in your mouth. Yeah.
I like your boxing yes?
Of course. I just smooth by your nose.
You will call me
I want
bitch.
the blood clot that
Everything.
everything. For the life. I want this done in so fast. I want this.
But you know.
Hey, listen to me.
You home alone right now?
What you say?
Are you home alone right now?
It no matter. Just DM me now. What you do this for? Just DM me.
I don't want to DM you. I want to pull up. Let's skip to the fucking DM. I don't want to DM.
So,
Fuck DM.
Right now you can't pull up on me because right now I'm not there which part you think me there.
Oh, you in Jamaica?
DM me.
Yo, she fuck Kane and Kemaka. I will party she fuck.
I mean fuck her too. You never know.
Yeah, man, what party she fuck, man.
Been a business ever will party she fuck.
Yeah, man, she fuck Merciless. She fuck.
Oh my God!
Yes. She fuck Wallan, she fuck Merciless, she fuck Lexus, she fuck him again, DeMarco, she fuck. Yeah. Yeah.
No,
She fuck Eddie Fitzroy.
You know, me not like it.
And she fuck with him again there. Jackson, you know, Jackson the cast out of town.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What's that?
Really, Lava?
Yeah.
Really?
Bless your pussy, woman. God bless
But
you.
nothing wrong. Let's support the fuck out of my pussy. Cause every time I fuck you get
Then
tight.
that not too much.
No, and it's still blood clot tight. And when I fuck him, I come want to.
The only girl we know fuck every artist but don't have a record label.
And never help her start one.
Come on for this dog up here. I'm coming here, but
She
I'm
fuck,
fed up.
listen, she fuck every artist in them prime and they don't get a
Can we
song.
go be with you, man? I want to Rika. We know his shirts.
Come on FaceTime.
You want me to call you on FaceTime? Meanwhile, I'm in the
right
tower.
Yo, listen, yo, I can. She fuck Lexus. I sleep at the man, the man get egg and bread for breakfast. Tell me if I lie, Martin.
It wasn't egg and bread.
Egg and bread the man give you.
I couldn't remember. It's egg and bread?
Egg and bread the man give you.
And Franks too.
Oh, you get tin sausage or Franks?
Franks.
Tin sausage.
Franks. Easy.
No, hold on there. People who remember when Lexus come over here and Lexus chat too, we're going to feel like a joke I'm making.
Yeah.
The only girl we know fuck every artist and don't have a rhythm or a label.
Rika.
Rika.
Ewa. Have a rhythm. I'm going to ride it.
Whoa.
Right.
Yeah, what more you do? Just DM me.
I am,
Name the
boo.
man.
I am.
She gonna make you brother, she make you fuck her and not spit in her mouth, dog.
No, she did. She did. Yo, you did it. Me not tonight.
I mean it.
And she don't want fuck kid, you know. She want fuck DJ kid.
No, me and him is the same height. What the fuck?
Yo, you know me I come off of this. Me I come off of this now.
Hey, Rika, you know, say look like
Anyway.
you love it oversized with them.
Anyway, like how you say, oh, their son. You see me? Mommy, put him on your breast. DM me, I wait for you, see?
No, you have to make you put you in her belly, then she via your pitney and have to go in her belly, man.
No, yeah, mommy, I live in her belly, man.
Left in 9 months.
9 months. In a nigga like Wednesday.
Yeah, man.
Today.
Right. Yeah.
Yo, it's everyone or be the body is link entourage of the video.
My youth, why you know see a chat to bumble clap much for a big man?
Mm-hmm.
No, but chat too much comments and when me attack or something we talk
Yo, who this hold on there? Who this whiny? The blood clot do no. Who the right girl? Who them money? Who raise them?
Brother, I watch Batty Boy, man, you fuck pussy and them not fuck none, brother. Oh, you see them thing, they not see that. Nobody.
Yo, you eat.
Move from us and lower. I want to
Lava.
shove more girls than for them boy.
One thing me tell you in Lava now, underestimate me throat and me tonsil in a bad man.
Bumbo.
Me good. You see me I deal with pussy, me a tonsil God. Tongue God too easy. Cause me near pussy from me throat up. You see me I deal with brother. That's why you see me throat full of.
Hey, no listen to me, man. I Shenseea and chat and laugh. Listen to me, man. I Shenseea talk and chat and laugh is not a safe place.
Me, you know me not come back over here. Me I got unfollow you, Lava, cause I'm tired of this.
What we do now, brother?
Me can't even fall upon the live and just all of it.
Yo,
I love a call your name now. I love a call your name.
No, you're talking about the little boy.
No, you said something. If Kemar, I never looked me. I said I don't know the little. I never that little.
Really?
But man, I like when you call me a boy though. I don't like it.
How old are you?
Old enough. You can't go prison for me.
All right then.
Bo.
All right then. See there.
No. Oh.
Lord, man. Then. Man, I like when you call him.
Big talk.
Then shut the fuck up.
What?
Which part I wear lady?
In your bed.
Man, look the girl, huh?
Which part I wear lady?
Dan talk for me. Go on a dance talk.
No. You
Dan, don't say nothing.
Which part I wear lady?
Atlanta.
Atlanta?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. No problem.
How fast you can reach?
May I take my time?
Nah, I don't like when nobody take their time. Tomorrow's not promised to none of us.
No, me like take my time.
No, I don't like that. No, that's how me and you not go.
No, but me I tell you, I'm me I do the fucking.
No, me I
like
go
take
fuck
my
your back.
time.
Me I go fuck your back. Fuck
No,
you.
you're not gonna fuck my back. I'm me I do the fucking.
But me I go fuck you too.
That too.
Me I go fuck you too.
Man,
That,
no, no pid for me, man.
you alone.
Brother, listen, I can. All you have to do it like a robbery. Just go fuck it and move.
Yeah.
Not tarry.
Yeah.
One and more. Not tarry this, Mike. I know essence, man.
She window more forward, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You know
She nine, brother. So not like you go fuck and relax. Just fuck and move, bro.
You ever?
What?
Me ever?
Well, Rika, you have a pussy who have a whole your artist them, you know. But me sure
all of them come to one and move and them never get a one.
How much of them you beat right now, Rika?
None, me not fuck one of them once.
I'm gonna have her alone here, fuck her, you know. That's crazy.
Remember say fuck lava, you know. Remember say lava would lanky. Lava would, yeah.
So boobs, that.
Yeah, lava.
That's crazy.
Well,
Yeah.
lava.
That's crazy, lava. That's not good for your resume, my friend.
Crazy.
Say go, bro.
Not good, my friend. Me not like that for you.
Say go, bro.
Me not like that for you at all, my friend.
Well, I know it's a more talk about sex over here and more shan pussy a basic shan comment them. I never see a girl so disgusting yet.
That's true, Shan is a nymphomaniac.
Yeah, but Shan, calm down, man.
Girl, I embrace herself.
Sister, I'm going to Shan for you inbox. The woman I know. But when I go in there, I say, I to Shan for you. Here, Shan for you. Like, yo, if me not know a big good man, because she loves suck big good, because she can't suck even a big good. It have to be one big good. One who tear off your bull and blood clot. When time she suck it.
That's just it?
Yeah. She said she like when time man fuck him in her mouth. So the guy want
to run out and suck still.
Yeah,
oh.
She look nasty.
Who that?
Rika?
Yeah,
Brother Rika certified freak 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy.
I'm about to get the fuck off this live.
Yeah, man. You know, come on. When you come over to me, look at chat and laugh, sister, them. I really like when I talk to them.
Yeah, but shut up.
Yeah,
jealous. Move your blood clot and look at
yo, me join the live and me just over here be myself on the start call my name.
Nah, man. I talk to him, sir. Rika, Shan, Twep, Cheese, who again, Gaza, Dali. You can't talk to that germs are right that's aside of your way.
I am not one of those because I'm an herbal diet. I don't have a category here.
Hey, no listen to me, man. A Shenseea talk and chat and laugh is not a safe place.
Yo, I'm not jealous, people, but I'm look at sister. Man, like when I talk, look at sex talk. I look at sister. Them, man, I like it, man. Maybe tell one say, yeah, man. You can't.
She say you're a little boy and them thing there, but you don't know.
Brother, I say just go in our DM. That's it, brother.
No, she have to DM me. She has size me up.
Move your bum buckler, but me have to DM you. Okay.
Well, Rika, you know, say you're deadly. You want cool and deadly.
That's all right.
Why say that?
Because
yes, if I'm come over, she just stop talk. She
just look on Rika eye them. She coming like the black mamba snake. That you see that snake there, you see anytime she take 5 minutes to kill you. One time she sting you. But she have the best focus in the whole world. Means she sit down there and look at you and then she attack. And she always get her prey. So that's the black mamba right there.
Oh.
Then I eat that, you know. Yeah. Here's the thing. As I say, you know it's from a DM there.
Right.
Pull up.
That's it.
Yeah.
If you get too serious, I want the number, you link me, make you get the number. All right?
Hey, come on. Hear what me I tell you. Right now, she like the virtual head.